Hi, welcome to my video. A couple of days ago I posted this picture of this dandelion and it got lots of likes and requests for tutorial, so here it is. This is how I did it. So first I applied 2 coats of good GOLLY Miss Molly and cured after each layer. Okay, so once that is cured, you can cleanse it with prepared and dehydrate, or you can buff the surface, whatever is better for you. This one I just find easier and quicker because the gel paint doesn't leak. So I just go ahead and paint my dandelion. And once I've got my stem, I think that's how you call it, stem done, I just apply a tiny dot. These dots I kept reapplying, so the reason I did it in stages was if I just put up one big block of gel paint in the middle, it would just drag in uncontrollable way basically. So this way I can control how, basically wanted that middle part to be spread nicely and evenly, not like, you know, one big blob of mess. So this is how I did it, and then I evenly well, this is oh gosh, I don't know even how to say these things, but you can see what I'm doing. So I will just evenly drag the lines out of there. Some can be shorter, some can be longer, thicker or thinner, it's up to you. So I just keep repeating the process here, adding the little blob of black gel paint in the middle whenever I feel like it would just look nicer if it gets stuck or keeps spreading more. And also you can flush cure the design as you go. And once I was happy with my design, I randomly placed some black dots with my gel paint and cured, fully cured. Okay, so whilst that is curing, I am going to mix Give Me Strength and Tara and Lola glitter. Lola is going to be the base glitter, and Tara I'm just going to add a few bits just to keep that dimension look, just to keep it that interesting look. I'm also trying to keep it quite thin. I'm not trying to make it very thick because we are not going for full coverage, just for quite nice and even. Obviously it's up to you, but that's what I did. so now that it's ready, we can just set it aside for a minute. Now this step is very important. You need to encapsulate that design, because if you would have placed that glitter straight onto your gel paint, it's gonna make that glitter cloudy and the effect won't be the same. So first you want to encapsulate in your Give Me Strength or Shine Bright, but for me my preferred option is Give Me Strength. So I just cap it and cure it full in the magpie lamp for 60 seconds. I would also like to just point out, I'm not magpie educator or ambassador or anything like that. I've just been using their products for a few years and I love them. And all the techniques I'm using in this video and all my videos are the techniques I gathered from the magpie nail art classes I've done and other useful video tutorials done by the educators on the Magpie Support Facebook page. So if you would like any more information on the products and how to use them, I would go and speak to them directly. Right, here I am applying my slip layer of Give Me Strength, and I'm going to be placing, and I don't cure this, and I'm going to be placing my glitter mixture directly into it. This helps me to be able to spread the mixture evenly the way I want it and play around with the bigger chunkier bits of glitter and place them exactly where I want them to be. And once you're done, you just cure in your magpie lamp for 60 seconds. So this is totally optional. I decided to add some flossy shapes into the uncured glitter mixture, and it looks lovely in there as well. It just gives it a bit more of dimension. Once you're happy with your glitter placement, just cure for 60 seconds in the magpie lamp, and then I encapsulated it again in the Give Me Strength and top coated with the Don't Be Tacky, which is the tack-free top coat. So there you have it. It's very easy dandelion design. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next one.